Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Jack from Capable, and in this session, we're going to tackle a common problem in Confluence: how to generate and display QR codes directly on your pages. QR codes are a quick and easy way to share links, documents, or other resources by simply scanning a code with your mobile device's camera app. So let's see how you can set up your own QR codes using the QR code macro in just a few steps. So here's a page I've created for sharing our mobile app, which is in this case is Slack. And I'd like to make it really easy for people with Android or iPhone to install this app straight from our Confluence instance by simply scanning it with their mobile phone. So let's grab this URL. And simply what I'm going to type is /QR. And what this is going to do is allow me to now configure this macro. If I click edit here, I can now insert this URL that I'd like to take the mobile phone to here. I can give it an optional title. So in this case, this is the Google Play. This is a Google Play app. And I can decide whether to either show or hide the title there. So I'm going to rinse and repeat this with the Apple one as well. So simply type /QR, put my URL in here, give it a title, and I want to hide the URL in that case. And it really is that simple. As you can see, I've got my two QR codes here, and if I scan those with my phone, it'll take me directly to the App Store of the respective platform. And that's how easy it is to create and display QR codes in your Confluence pages using Capable. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Confluence tips and productivity hacks. Let us know in the comments what other features you'd like to see covered, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.